I really like to use travel bags when I am packing up and getting ready for a show because it is just a dirty environment when you get to the horse show a lot of the time, and your show clothes need to be as clean as possible. I like to find a nice sturdy saddle bag that matches my gear as closely as possible and protects my saddle from bumps while I'm traveling on the road, particularly if I'm putting the saddle in the trailer. But even if it's going in my car, I still want to keep it protected from rubs. We all know that show clothes are an investment. All our gear is, and we want to go to the show and look our best for the judges to be respectful and competitive. I love having all my gear bags in a matching set. It makes my heart happy to see everything looking cohesive, but it also can be really helpful to have your gear differentiated from your barn mate's gear. And you know, when someone sees something sitting in their folding chair, they'll be like, oh, that matches Maddie's stuff. Have a checklist and double check your checklist. It's just so important because in the moment, there's 100 things you need and you will forget something if you don't already have that list. My other favorite tip is to have a box of essentials that you know you're always gonna need, whether that's your number pins, Sharpies, baby wipes, quick cleanup stuff. Have a tote of things that you already need that just stays in your trailer or that is your horse show tote, and you put it in your car when you're gonna go to a show, because those aren't things you'll need every time, but you will save somebody by having it, potentially even yourself.